किसी ने देखा नहीं है पिछले 10 दशक में कि ऐसे कोई भी देश ने ऐसा एक छलांग मारा है। अल्टीमेटली बिजनेस में भी हम देखते हैं कि लीडरशिप मेक्स अ डिफरेंस। तो हम बधाई देना चाहता हूँ खास करके प्रधानमंत्री को, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये लक्ष्य सामने खड़ा कर दिया है।
इतने रिफॉर्म्स और हो गए हैं कि मैं समझता हूँ कि अगले सालों में इंडस्ट्रीज़ को हिंदुस्तान में काम करने में बहुत ही सहूलियत होगी।
Ease of doing business ranking is just an output variable, but all the inputs that have gone into that, the reforms and all the changes have been truly magnificent. Because on the ground, that is what people have felt.
Biggest area where I'm seeing is we are bringing in transparency. We are also bringing in process. At the same time, we are increasing the speed of clearances and ensuring that if there are bottlenecks, we will find solutions to them.
It's totally possible that India, within a couple of years, will be in the top 50. I'm confident because it takes the leadership and vision of the Prime Minister, it takes the team effort of the entire cabinet and the departments.
Easing up the business here is visible. It's many things have started, many things to continue in the future. But I think the future is bright.
Doing business in India has become easier. That is what all the rankings also show. And now it is really comparable with many of the other destinations in the world.
He has a real business-oriented vision. And the way he talked about setting goals, sky's the limit. The new India is just personalizing this new India, oriented to business, oriented to the people as well.
I can tell you the leadership of our Prime Minister has been something exemplary. He actually invited us to come to Gujarat when he was the Chief Minister. He said, we will give you land in 14 days. On the 13th day itself, I got land. He has defined the vision for renewable energy, and we are fully supportive of this thing.